Hey dude, I'm new to blogging. I don't want to waste money on SEO tools. How do I know if a topic is highly competitive? I don't want to waste my time writing articles that won't rank. Are you paying me for advice? No, but please. Right, come on, let me show you. Type in your topic on Google. If Google is showing you all the results from government and authority sites, that topic is highly competitive. Don't waste your time. If Google is showing you results from only authority sites in the top 10 positions, that topic is highly competitive as well, but you can write an article on it when your site is more established. If Google is showing you mixed results from authority sites and sites you have not seen before, that topic is not competitive. You can work on it. The best scenario is if there is a mix of forum sites and results from sites you have not seen before. Those, you definitely must work on them, but do check on the search volume. Ooh, you owe me lunch.